Good morning. For the first time ever, I am gonna go get my lower legs waxed today because apparently I enjoy torturing myself. No, honestly, I'm headed to the lake this Friday, which I am enormously excited about because I want to get away and do something fun for a little bit, and I love being on the water and jet skiing and me boarding and what's the other one? Wakeboarding. So yeah, but I hate shaving. I'm not gonna lie, I hate shaving. So yeah, some of you may be like, well, why do you do it? Well, I mean, I also like being smooth at the same time. So it's like this odd love-hate relationship with shaving. And the problem is, like, my skin is so sensitive that even if I do all the stuff like the lotion and the exfoliant beforehand and, you know, all the good stuff, my legs are still like extremely itchy, like to the point where I'm literally itching my legs raw. So I'm hoping that if I do the waxing, it will pull the whole strand up, so maybe it'll be less itchy when it grows back. I don't know. I'm hoping it'll be worth enduring the pain because it's so bad. It's so itchy afterwards. So anyway, that's a little bit of TMI, but I've never done waxing before, and the videos make it look awful, so yeah, that'll be an interesting experience. I'll probably not be able to take you in the room with me, but yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. I'll see you later. Hello, everyone. What a weekend. It was a very fun weekend. We got to all hang out together and do some boating, do some wakeboarding. I actually know how to do the wakeboard, but I do not know how to do the surfboard. So as you saw on the video, I was, there's no footage of me because I was literally like drowning behind the boat. But my sister picked up on it like super quick, but she's also a lot more athletic than I am, so the trophy is awarded to her for the water sports. I usually pick up on things, it's just maybe a little bit slower than she does, and like I said, she is a little bit more athletic than me, but it was really fun, and we played some pickleball with my dad, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And I also brought my Oculus over to let my parents try. Unfortunately, I did not get any footage of them doing it, but oh my gosh, that was hilarious watching my dad do the Oculus. We were doing Beat Saber, and so that was highly entertaining. Poor man kept failing over and over and over again, but he's a good sport and he was still doing it anyway. He was catching on to the tennis game though pretty well, so he'll have to do that when we have a little bit more space though, because of course the little circle that we drew for like, you know, your area to play in was not enough room for tennis, so he like smacked his hand into the TV stand. So but he was catching on to that, was pretty good. And my mom was really good at Beat Saber, of course, but she's like danced all through like high school and stuff, so she automatically has kind of a knack for that kind of stuff. So, and of course my husband, he's a hoot when he does it. He's so erratic, it's hilarious. But I did not get any footage of that, but it was a good time. We had a good time. I am so tired though, because I literally have been working on this vlog, and you know, when you're out on the lake, on the water in sunshine, you get tired. So, but we're gonna go back down in July, so that'll be fun. We are still waiting to sell our house. Not much movement on that, so our RVing it'll be soon. It's just, gotta sell the house first. I'm getting anxious, but it'll happen. So, but yeah. Other than that, that is all I have. If you enjoyed my content, be sure to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. I do try to come out with videos every week, but I am going to hit the hay, as they say, and as always, stay happy and healthy. I will see you next time for my next video. Bye.